3, 2, 1, go.
That is so cool. It's off. It's off. It's over in the neighbor's yard. We're gonna bring it back now. It's really cool. That nose cone brings it down, keeps it from going too high.
I actually have more control with this nose cone.
That's good, because we're gonna use this for a while. Almost just hit the tree there. Oh, we're dive bombing. We're dive bombing, heads up. We're like only, I don't say 20 feet above the ground, so we're not really all that high, but wow. Oh, that's gone. Oh, I thought that was gonna hit the tree. No way. He brought it back. Yeah, that's definitely down. Let's
I don't know
go.
if I could make it, so
Wow. Bye, guys.